So today we're going to be building an Ethernet cable. Before you do so, you're going to need a cable, and you're going to need RJ45 plugs. You'll also need a special crimping tool and a cutter tool to build the Ethernet cable. Unfortunately, I don't have the crimping tool that's shown in the picture above. The crimping tool we got was from our teacher, and it's not that expensive. So let's get on to step one. The first step is to strip the cable, which is I'm going to show you right now. Step number 2, you need to untwist the twisted pair and separate them. On to step number 3. Now you want to straighten out the wires. Make sure they have very little bumps in them. You want to make sure they're very straight, or the cables might not work when you test them out, or they might not reach the top when you put in the RJ45 plug. This is very important. So now I'm straightening them out. Put a lot of pressure with your hands, so you put a lot of force to straighten them out. You can also use the jacket, put it into each wire and just pull. That will really help your hands so that you don't hurt them. Now to step number 4. In this step, you need to put the cable in order of 568B, and you'll need to do this order on both sides. The picture is on the screen in case you forgot. Step number 5 is kind of difficult. In this step, you'll need to make sure that all the wires are in a straight line. Use the cutter tool to make sure it is. After you're sure that order of the cable is correct and they are in a straight line, you will need to put it into the RJ45 plug. Your RJ45 plug, you need to make sure that part of the jacket is in the plug. So when you crimp the tool, the jacket is in there and the RJ45 plug is stuck to the cable, so when you pull out the cable and the jacket, it won't come off. So I put in the RJ45 plug, as you can see. Why is it not focusing? Okay, so you see the jacket. The jacket is inside. It's in a good amount, but this thing's not focusing, and you can't really see the thing at the top. But I can see it, and it is. I'm telling you. Step number 6, the last one. I'm pretty sure. The last part of building a cable is crimping the RJ45 plug into the cable. Crimping makes sure that the cable is stuck with the RJ45 plug. So when you pull the cable, the wire itself, they don't come out and they stick into the RJ45 plug. Okay, so now that you have the RJ45 plug, you want to make sure that every wire is on top of the cable. Now you take your crimp tool and put it in. You're a little bit trouble putting it in. Let's try again. Okay, there we go. So now when you push the cable in, you want the blade to touch all the way to the bottom, to that black part. But if you have the good crimping tools, the crimping tool clips until you hear the last click, and when you let it go, it opens. But if you have this one, you want to press it, and you want to make sure the blade touches the black part. The last step 7 is to follow your steps from 1 through 6 on the other side of the cable. I'll not show it on this video because this will make the video very long. Okay, so now both cables are ready. You're gonna need to get out your cable tester. This comes with the toolkit we got, which also comes with the crimp tool and everything. If you don't have one, you could just purchase separate cable testers. And you turn it on, and then you plug in your thing. And I also got the jackets and put them in there because why not? It looks fancy. Now you want to check those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it reaches all those numbers, that means your cable is fine and it's working well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something. and enjoy the rest of your day.